spread activity going on in the lean hogs today. Oliver, any thoughts on that?
Yeah, a lot going on in these markets. I think part of it might be last trading day of the month. You're probably getting some positioning from the managed money. Funds have had a pretty decent net long position in the front month futures, and I think their overall position hovers right in the neighborhood of about 55,000 contracts. They're relatively flat over the last week or so, but I think we're just kind of starting to consolidate in this December contract. The 100 and 200-day moving average, I think, are going to be big, significant support pockets. That comes in from 84.75 to 85. We went down there and kind of tested the upper end of that range in this morning's trade. If that gives way, we might start to see some additional long liquidation, but I still think there's probably decent support at the lower end of 80. So much like a lot of the agricultural markets here over the last month or so, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market consolidate a little bit here going forward.
Do you think the live cattle trade is subject to some backing and filling on the chart here for a little bit?
Yeah, obviously we had that huge run from the middle of October all the way into that cattle on feed report that was just over a week ago that took us, I think, to plus 154. Cash prices have remained stout, but I think a large part of that has been baked into the cake as far as the futures market goes. The live cattle, where the funds stand on the live cattle market, they're long about 65,000 contracts, which is fairly decent long position for them. And again, as I mentioned with hogs, I think you got the last trading day of the month here. Some uncertainty around the world, triggering a little bit of profit taking, and we're testing some of those breakout points from just a couple of weeks ago. But I think there's probably pretty good support near 150, both technically and fundamentally going forward.
Oliver, great to talk with you again. Thank you for helping us open up our week here today on a very busy Monday. Thanks for all the help. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures.